I'm Jeremiah Stone.
I'm Fabian from Hauske.
And we're from Contra and Wild Air on the Lower East Side in New York.
Today we're making the chocolate hazelnut tart.
So to start, we mix the all-purpose flour, buckwheat flour, cornstarch, and salt. This is definitely one of the most popular items on the menu. We chose this recipe because I think it's a really luxurious treat that I think most people assume they have to go to maybe a pastry shop to have something with that kind of decadence, but definitely doable at home.
We cream the butter, sugar, and vanilla. We add the eggs and continue to beat it until well mixed. And then we scrape the bowl, and then we mix that with the dry ingredients. Once it's mixed, we transfer it to a plastic wrap. We cover it, and we shape it into a square, and we'll put it in the fridge for about 20 minutes. After that, we'll take a ring cutter, and we'll cut a small circle, and we'll shape it into a tart ring. We'll put it in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. We'll make our hazelnut chocolate cream. We'll just bloom some gelatin with some milk. We'll add that to a pot with cream, bring that to a simmer, and then we'll add chocolate to that. Mix it well until it's incorporated. Add the butter, mix it until smooth, season it with a little bit of sea salt, and just put it in the fridge. So the consistency of the cream, once it's set, should be like pudding.
So next we'll make the hazelnut praline. So we'll put sugar, water, glucose in a pot, and just dissolve that and bring that to a simmer. Once that caramelizes, we'll add in our roasted hazelnuts, and then we'll spread that on top of a silicone baking sheet. After the hazelnut and caramel has cooled, you can break that up into pieces, put it into a food processor, pulverize that into a powder, and then add in a little bit of vegetable or canola oil, and you're looking for a peanut butter-like consistency. Once that's done, you can remove that from a food processor and fold that in with a bit of the feuilletine. If you can't find feuilletine, you can use something like corn flakes. Then we'll set that aside and we're ready to assemble.
I think the candy it's the closest to is Ferrero Rocher. Sort of like hazelnut flavored chocolatey and the crunchy bits.
It's good. Super crunchy, nutty.
Everything you want.